Are you interested in knowing what's in BoxyCharm February 2019? Well, this is the video for you because in this video, I'm not only going to be showing you the products, but I'm also going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial on this look I created today. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day, and as you saw by the title of the video, today I'm going to be showing the products that I received on my BoxyCharm February 2019, which I have right here. And this time I decided to do it a little bit different, just a little tweak. So since it is, you know, February, Valentine's Day, I decided to create a look Valentine's Day appropriate. I actually have created a couple of different looks so far, so if I don't get to post them before Valentine's Day here on YouTube, I'm going to have it on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there if you want to see other kind of looks, in case this one is not the kind of look that you are looking for or that you like. But anyways, I have my box here as you saw. I'm going to be showing you the products now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a voiceover on the tutorial at the end of the video. So I'm first going to show you the products, tell you what I think about it, how they worked, and then at the end you can see the tutorial where I use the products plus, you know, of course, a couple of other products to create the look for today. So let's just start right away with the first thing, which it is the card that we received this month, and this month's theme is Afterglow. Nice, right? I don't know if you guys, like I said before, follow me on Instagram, but on Instagram I already posted like the picture of the box. I always just go over there real quick. So like I said, and I repeat once again, you might want to follow me there, just so you can, you know, have the first look at everything that I received. But I'm going to start pulling the products one by one. The first product that I used today, it's actually not a new product for me because I have this product. I purchased it maybe almost a year ago, and it is the Touch in Sol No Poreblem primer. This is one of those primers that is supposed to help smooth your skin and also cover the pores or perfect the appearance of your pores. This one retails for $18. I think I purchased it on Amazon for actually around 18 bucks. And this one is supposed to be like a really good primer for that. But to be honest, I've had it for a while and I don't think it does such a big thing with the pores. I don't think it's that amazing for your pores. So I don't even use it much, but I think it is a good primer to smooth your skin, to prepare for a foundation. And then I think probably if you have like dry skin or normal skin, you might like it even more because it feels a little bit hydrating, which is something that is nice as well. So I know that that is good about it. And then let's go into the next product, which it is a, let me see which one I'm gonna go with. Okay, it is a mask, which I actually tried it last night and I think it's pretty good. I wasn't excited when I first saw it. To be honest, I wasn't, and I am still not so excited about most of the products here because most of them I already tried them, or you know, I just don't care for them. But this mask, I never heard of it, I never tried it before, and it is by Tula, and it is the probiotic skincare mask. It says that it is the brightening all night energizing sheet mask. This one retails for $24 and it's supposed to help your skin to be bright all night and energize it. It actually says that it has like superfoods in it and probiotics, which it will help your skin light up and glow and all of that, which I think is really cool. I actually tried it last night, like I said, and I did feel that my skin felt very hydrated, and then in the morning it did look a little bit glowy. So we received 2 different packs that have 2 units each, so in total we have 4 masks. And I don't know if I said how much they retail for, but it's $24 a pack of 2. Or I don't know if it's actually $24 probably for the 2 packs. So each pack is probably 12 bucks. And then another product we received, it is something that I think most people know if you have, you know, liked makeup and been in this makeup world for a while. It is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This one retails for $24. I actually didn't open mine because I have a little sample size that is the one what I used today. Let me get it because it just fell over here. Alright, so I had a sample size and that's what I used today. I've used it before, and I think the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, it is a staple for a lot of people. I think it is a good mascara. But the only thing I don't like about it is the brush. It's so big that every time I use it, I always end up like getting a little bit messed up on underneath the eyes, especially. Like, I don't know, it's just the brush. To me, it is pretty big. And even the travel size still has the same brush than the regular one. It's pretty big, like I'm saying, but it does really make a difference on your eyes. I think it's a really good one. And then I don't feel like it clumps my lashes too much. And then the next product I have, it is by Poreblem Cosmetics, and this is the Shimmering Swan highlighter. This one is in the color Glow Up, which is a really nice color. It's like a golden highlight. I applied it today, as you can see here, and I know my lighting today is a little bit off because it is pretty cloudy outside. It is raining a lot, so there's no sun, but I think you can still appreciate, you know, the highlight. And in the tutorial that you're gonna see in a little bit, you're going to see it even better. I think the lighting was better when I was doing that first part. So you're gonna see that it is a pretty good highlight. It is pretty pigmented. I mean, I just put a little bit of it here and you can see the glow. And I think it's a color that works on a little different skin tone, so that's nice. And then the last product I received, I also wasn't excited for this product. I wanted to get another different kind of product, like the other variation you could have gotten. But this is the next and I think last product that I received this month. And this is the Grande Lips Hydra Plum Liquid Lipstick. This one, it's in the color Honey Ginger and it's matte. I applied it and at first I was like, wow, I didn't know that it was that light, because I can see on the tube, you can see the color and it just looked a little bit light, but I didn't know it was super light. It is almost like a paint, like a paint beige kind of color. It is very matte, it is very pigmented, it is super creamy as well. But I gotta say right away, and I just opened it again, it smells awful. Like, it's the most awful smell ever. I don't know what that smells like. I can't tell what smell is, but maybe like a paint, like a bad paint smell. It is really, really bad. And this one, it is supposed to plump your lips. So another thing, I didn't feel any plumping. I did feel a little bit of minty, but not even tingle. I don't think it plumped my lips as well. So this is a product that I know I will never use, I will never purchase. I don't like it. I don't like the color. I don't like the scent. It's horrible. And this one retails for $25. Like, who's gonna pay 25 bucks for this? Not me. So anyways, I'm going to add up the products of this month. Alright, so this month's box is worth $123. So like always, over $100 worth of product. However, I have to say it, I have to be honest, this month I do not like the box. I don't think I like any of the products here. The only one I know I can get use out of, it is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but even that, it is not my favorite mascara, and I have so many of them right now that I just feel like I don't even want to open it. I might just give it away. I might, I don't know, trade it in this group that I have from BoxyCharm or something like that. The highlight, I'll probably use it, but at the same time, like I said, I'm not super excited about it because I feel like I have shades that are very similar, and then everything else is like, nah, don't like it. This month for me was really not worth it. And to be honest, like, if it wasn't because I want to record these videos for you guys, I would have canceled BoxyCharm this month when I saw a couple of previews. So for me, like I said, even though we have over $100 worth of product, this box for me was a no. Like, don't like it, don't care for it. Hopefully next month is gonna be better. I think next month is that I'm receiving BoxyLuxe. If that one is not good, then that's gonna be my last Luxy box, because I don't want to spend 50 bucks and then I'm not happy with it. So we'll see how that one goes, but so far I'm not super excited. Even the previews I've seen for next month are not that great. So I don't know, let's see what's gonna happen with BoxyCharm. I know it's getting more recognized, I know it's getting bigger, so sometimes when that happens they just go down in quality, but we still have to give it a chance. We'll still have to see. So anyways, thank you for watching the video, guys. Remember that now I'm going to leave the tutorial if you want to learn how to achieve this look, and also if you want to see how the products perform on my skin, you can see it throughout the video. So before I forget, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, Remember to follow me on social media. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and now I'll leave you with the tutorial.
Alright guys, so we're going to start right away, but first I'm going to apply a little bit of this lip mask by Laneige, and then I'm going to start with my No Poreblem primer by Touch and Soul. I am applying it all over my face. As you can see, I decided to use a brush because I've heard that is much better, so I kind of want to try that method of application and see if it's really better. With only one application, I can't tell right now, but we'll see how that works. It does apply pretty nicely and you don't have to get your hands dirty, so that's cool. So now I'm going with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color 10 Sand, and I'm just applying it as a base on my eyes so that my eyeshadows can look a little bit more bright. If you have a concealer that is even lighter, that is even better. And then I'm going to start with the eyeshadows. First, I'm going to use this Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. I'm using the color Thanks a Latte, which is just a light color, the lightest color in the palette. You can use whichever palette you guys have, you know, whichever colors are the most similar to what I'm using. Now I'm using this color Bestie, which is very light, so at the end it really didn't work out so much as a crease shade. I ended up going in with Are You Kidding Me? Which works as a crease shade a little bit better, but you can use just whatever color, you know, works best for you. I decided as a light brown because I like to do it, just start a little bit light first, and you know, and then just go in with the darker colors. Here I'm using a dark kind of reddish color from Rimmel London palette that I just showed you. Everything is gonna be listed down below, all the products I'm using, in case you guys are curious. You could actually create this look, a very similar look, only using that palette that is very, very affordable. So I'm just using this color in the crease. As you see, I'm using a big blending brush, just so I can apply the color as blended as possible. And now I'm going in with this color called Wine and Dine, which is a very bright red color from the Violet Voss palette. There are some colors in the Rimmel London palette that are similar, just so you can have an idea. You could use actually the very bright pink that they have as well. That'll be really beautiful. That was my first thought, but I kind of wanted the eye to be a little bit more red, so I went for that. Now I'm going to use my Colourpop Through My Eyes palette, and I'm using this color called Divina, and I am just using it on my crease. As you see, I'm going a little bit lower than what I did before because I just want to define my crease a little bit better with that one. And then I decided to go with this dark brown called Teddy Bear. So I am applying it kind of like in the same areas where I applied the color before, and this is just to help define the crease. And now I'm cleaning up underneath because I want the eye shape to be very sharp, and I'm going to be applying a eyeliner like a cat eye, so I just wanted to clean up. And now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer once again. I'm doing kind of like a cut crease. I don't love cut creases, but I just kind of, you know, I wasn't sure exactly what I was doing. I was thinking to use a very light pink in there, but I ended up just using this dark red color from called Nocturne from the Colourpop Through My Eyes collection. I don't know, I was just going with the flow, going with what I feel. So for me, I think this color looks really cool, but you could also go with a matte bright pink and it will look amazing as well. I was just worried that the light pink wouldn't really be what I wanted. So anyways, I am applying a little bit of the concealer underneath my eyes. That is just to let it set and let it kind of like absorb a little bit, because my under eyes are a little bit extra dark. You probably can't tell on the camera, but it is. So now I'm going to apply my Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, which is one of my favorites, especially when I have like a special occasion. And as you see, you don't need very much to get a good coverage. I'm actually used very, very little. Like, that is almost nothing that I'm applying all over my face. I ended up applying like a second layer just to go in the areas where I need a little bit of extra coverage. But it is an amazing foundation. You really don't need much. If you don't need that much coverage, you can go with whatever other foundation you have that is a little bit lighter. And like I said, you know, just blending in with a foundation brush. Now I'm going in with a lighter shade of the Shade Tape. This is just to brighten up the center part of my face, because that foundation is kind of like my skin tone, but once it oxidizes it gets a tiny bit darker, so I like to brighten the center part of my face, as you can see. And now I'm just going to make sure I set everything with the Colourpop No Filter setting powder. This is in the color Banana, which I just purchased not too long ago. You guys have seen me use the translucent, but Banana is amazing for me because it just kind of like brightens up a little bit more because of the yellow tone. So I'm just removing the excess and kind of like just making sure I set the whole face. And now I'm using the Colourpop pencil for my eyebrows. I don't need to do much. I just kind of draw the tail of my brows. That's kind of the vibe that I've been feeling lately. I don't like them perfect anyways, and so I think this pencil is perfect for that because it's very small. And then I go with the Colourpop brow gel. This is in a clear color. This is just to make sure my eyebrows don't move and don't go anywhere because I have a lot of hair, so they won't move. And now I'm going with the Master Precise, I think it's All Day by Maybelline. This is just an eyeliner. I think it's called a felt tip eyeliner. It is really matte and very black, so it is very easy for me to apply it. You could skip this step if you want to, but you know, I decided to also go in with this NARS eyeliner pencil in the color black, and I kind of tight line, but at the same time in the lower lash I decided to go in with it. And then with a brush I kind of blended it out. I just wanted to, you know, my eyes call a lot of attention. If we're having a date or an important day, you know, you just want the eyes to be have a little bit more expression. So I went in with the same red color that I used from the Rimmel London palette underneath my eyes just to blend out the black a little bit. And then I'm going in with the Better Than Sex mascara, which, like I said before, it's not my favorite. Actually, I think the IT Cosmetics Superhero will do more for me, but you know, I just, for the sake of the BoxyCharm, I use this. And then I'm going in with my MAC Extra Dimension blush and a little bit of bronzer. This bronzer is not that crazy. It doesn't really bronze my skin too much, but it just defines a little bit. Especially I love it on the nose area, so it is pretty nice. I probably could have used a little bit more bronzing, but you know, on the camera it actually washes off the color a lot more than reality, so I think it's okay. And now it's time for the highlight. So I'm using the Poreblem Cosmetics highlight that we just received now. It looks really nice. I was surprised of how nice it looks, especially on the tip of the nose. I felt like it was really nice. I love the color, but I know that I have colors that are very similar. So finally I'm using my MAC Fix Plus setting spray just to, you know, make sure we eliminate a little bit of the powderiness. Now for the lips, I'm first applying my Colourpop lip liner, and this is in the color BFF3, and then I'm going with the Grounded Lips lipstick, which, as you see, I just applied in the center. But that is actually that's just a smell, but that is actually not my favorite option of lips for these eyes, especially if I'm going out on Valentine's Day. I want something a little bit more dramatic than this, but I still wanted to use this product so you can see how it applies and how it looks. I think it looks really good. If you want, for example, a look that is a little bit more simple, this will help with it if you're not using like a crazy colored lipstick. But if you want to, I decided to do the second option using this darker red lip liner, and then using the Retro Matte lipstick by MAC in the color Mixed Media, which is a very dark vampy color that I think it just looks sexy. It makes you look sexy in general. If you want to go out at night, I think it's perfect, and you know, just really nice with the eyes as well. However, for me, my favorite one is the Retro Matte lipstick in the color Ruby Wood. With this look, I mean, it looks a little bit more pink than what I wanted the eyes, but it is just really nice with the red. It looks like refreshing and nice and perfect. Hope you like it. Let me know which one was your favorite, guys. Love you, and see you on the next one.